Student, welcome back here. I hope all are well. Now myself Nidhi Lal. Today we going to discuss chapter number 4, agriculture, and this lecture number is 5, and lecture number 5 is discuss other than grains, and firstly discuss for rubber. And rubber, it is the main characteristic कि rubber is an equatorial crop and but under special condition. It also grown in tropical and subtropical areas. It required the most moisture and humid climate with rainfall of more than 200 centimeter, and temperature about 25 degrees Celsius is excellent for this crop. Show, and in this picture, rubber is an important industrial raw material, and in 2012 and 13 India ranked 4th among the world natural rubber producer. Top producers, firstly see in this picture. Okay, now next, rubber it is a mainly grown in Kerala, Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, and Andaman and Nicobar Island, Garo Hills of Meghalaya. In this map show the Karnataka, Kerala, Tamil Nadu, Andaman, Nicobar Island and Meghalaya. Now next, cotton. Cotton, India is believed to be original home of the cotton plant, and cotton is one of the main raw material for cotton textile industries. India is believed to be the original home of the cotton plant, and cotton is one of the main raw materials for cotton textile industry. And see in this picture कि in 2014 India was the second largest producer of cotton after China, and in India it grow well in drier parts of the black cotton soil and the Deccan Plateau. This picture show कि cotton grow well in the black soil of the Deccan Plateau, and that is why the black soil in the drier parts of Deccan Plateau is called the black cotton soil. Now see, and this states measure. First of all, major cotton producing states are Maharashtra, Gujarat, Madhya Pradesh, Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, Tamil Nadu, Punjab, Haryana and Uttar Pradesh. These are mainly cotton producing state. Major cotton producing states are Maharashtra, Gujarat, Madhya Pradesh, Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, Tamil Nadu, Punjab, Haryana and Uttar Pradesh. Now next, cotton. Cotton main characteristic I have already discussed, but firstly now again repeated this topic कि cotton is one of the main raw material for cotton textile industry. To grow cotton, black soil is needed, which is found in Deccan Plateau. It required the high temperature, moderate rainfall, no frost and bright sunlight, and cotton required to 6 to 8 months to mature. मैच्योर होने में टाइम क्या होता है? 6 to 8 months. And major cotton producing states are, see again map, Maharashtra, Gujarat, Madhya Pradesh, Telangana, Andhra Pradesh, Karnataka and Tamil Nadu. So these are the major cotton producing states are. Now jute. Jute, it is used in making gunny bags. See in this picture, gunny bags, mats, ropes and yarn, carpet and other artifacts. Jute, it is used in making the gunny bags, mats, rope, yarn, carpet and other artifacts. So then this picture show the this bags, gunny bags, jute. And jute is the main another name. It is also known as golden fiber also. And jute grow well on well drained fertile soil in the flood plains and where soil are renewed every year. Again, it is also jute के another name कि it is also known as the golden fiber, and jute grows well on well drained fertile soil in the flood plains and where soil are renewed every year, and high temperature is required during the time of growth. High temperature is required during the time of growth. And major states like West Bengal, Bihar, see. And next, jute already discussed ki well drained fertile soil in the flood plains are the best for the jute crop, and high temperature is required for the growth of jute crop. Now jute is known as the golden fiber, already discussed, and to grow jute, fertile soil is needed in the flood plains where soil are renewed. Jute is grown in West Bengal, Bihar, Assam, Odisha, Meghalaya. Next, it is used making gunny bags, mats, ropes, yarn, carpets, and other artifacts. And synthetic fibers are alternative of jute because they are cheap, very cheap. Now next, horticulture. This is the last point, horticulture. India also is one of the largest producer of horticulture crops. Okay, horticulture refers to the growing of fruits and vegetables. Again, words repeated. India also is one of the largest producer of horticulture crops, and horticulture refers to the growing of fruits and vegetable. India is the largest producer of fruits and vegetable in the world, and India is a producer of tropical as well as temperate the fruits. Again, India is a producer of tropical as well as temperature fruits. Some of the fruits grown in India are mangoes, oranges, banana, lychee, guava, pineapple, apple, etc. Some of the vegetables grown in India are pea, cauliflower, onion, cabbage, tomato, brinjal, and potato. Now again, these included like जैसे mangoes है, this place Maharashtra and Uttar Pradesh, West Bengal. Oranges Nagpur, Meghalaya. Bananas mostly Kerala and Mizoram, Maharashtra, Tamil Nadu. And pineapple Meghalaya, Andhra Pradesh, Maharashtra. Or apple like Jammu and Kashmir. These are example. And also state, the major producing states are firstly discussed कि mangoes Maharashtra, UP, West Bengal. Oranges Nagpur, Meghalaya. And same as bananas Mizoram, Maharashtra, Tamil Nadu. Pineapple Meghalaya, Andhra Pradesh, Maharashtra. Apple like Jammu and Kashmir and Himachal Pradesh. So since vegetable usually require less time for growth, and they can be grown in the Jais season in alternation with cereals grown in a Rabi and Kharif season, and most of the fruits like banana, orange, apple, etc. are plantation crop, and India producing both tropical as well as temperate the fruits. So this lecture, last lecture number 5 is completed, and now the next lecture is discussed for contribution agriculture to national economy. Okay.